What's up guys? Good morning. So, ano oras? 4:56 na guys ng umaga. And pre-breakfast na tayo guys. So, yun, after nito, ligo na tayo. So, let's go.
One eternity later.
Tapos ako maligo. So, tara. Let's go. Good morning! What's up guys? So, sobrang lamig pa ngayon guys. So, on the way na tayo sa school. And time check. It's 5:45 AM guys. So, dilim po. Ayan, parking area guys. So, maglalakad tayo papunta sa bus stop. So, tara. Samahan nyo ako. Let's go. Guys, so dito na tayo sa bus. Dito na tayo sa World City. Let's go.
Meanwhile,
Dito tayo sa city guys. Ang Cactus Spurt Cactus. So, tara guys. Punta na tayo sa train station. What's up guys? So yeah, dito tayo sa city. Hey! What's up guys? What's up partner? Peace bomb bro. So, dito tayo sa train station. Sasakay na tayo ng train. So, siyempre, mga besyops ko dyan, no? Besyops! Okay. So tara guys, pasok na tayo. So guys, antay tayo ng train. So konting days pa guys, makakarating tayo ng Warwick guys. Tapos from there magbabas tayo. Let's go, samahan nyo kami. Yan na yung train guys, let's go. Guys, hindi tayo sa train. Hey, serious. Hey, guys. So, tara. Hey, dito tayo sa train station stop natin, guys. Transfer tayo sa bus. Let's go. Hey! So, antay lang tayo ng bus, guys. Sobrang hirap ng pinagdadaanan ng mga international student dito, guys.
Pwede na!
Magte-train ka, magbabas ka, gigising ka ng maaga. Ay, Lord, ipanalo nyo kaming mga international student dito sa Australia. So guys, nandito na tayo sa bus. Tawid na tayo Balcata Kitchen. Let's go guys. Eh, napakalipit. Kumana tayo ng bus guys. Let's go. Thank you Mark. And ang lakad begins. Yan, ganito kami dito sa Australia. Puro lakad, my friend. Diba? Masyado naman kayo seryoso, magayon naman kayo dyan, my friend. Hey! Ako lang talaga ma-PR dito. Pabayaan nyo na sila. Let's go.
hours later.
Doon na tayo guys sa Balcata Kitchen. Dito na kami guys. Woo! Good day my friend. How are you guys? How are you? You good? Let's go. Guys, so bisa tayo dito guys.
Meanwhile,
What's up guys? So tara na. Pasok na tayo ng room. Let's go. What's up guys? So dito tayo sa kitchen. Partner, hi ka naman. Yeah. Hi ka naman bro. Mga mimosa ng kitchen. Let's go. Guys, medyo nangangain ng tanga yung paghugasan ng kamay.
Right, so when you start the go piano, you just switch this on. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 compartments. There are 6 compartments. So there's a switch over here. You put the switch down. Right, wait for a while. Wait till the calibration comes. All the sinks. Come here, all of your sinks. See these sinks. They're very clean, dishwasher. It has to be like this. Nothing, no dirt, nothing underneath. Okay.
no.
Make sure that you clean it, rinse it, and then put it. Don't put straight away in. Right? So I hope you all be the same. Right? So that everything depends on you all. I can't force you all, so it's left to you all. Right? So
Let's go. Ito tayo ng freezer. Freezer tayo guys.
fine here. Now this is a
Namiss ko
freezer.
yung store room ko guys sa
Now
Pinas.
this is a freezer.
Namiss ko yung store room ko sa Pinas.
That's the freezer.
Eh,
Right? You see our yellow boxes? Our yellow boxes? That is our side, the yellow boxes. Take a photograph.
Shit man, namiss ko yung store room ko sa Pinas. And guys, hey, let's go, let's go, let's go. Man, namiss ko yung store room ko sa Pinas talaga, man.
Don't bring it right down here. Be careful and don't be too close by. Sometimes they bring it too close by. So keep it away. Keep it away. Okay, now this is known as Vichy. I'll leave it over here. Huh?
Different kinds of cuts, guys. And let's go. Guys, gagawin natin lahat ng pinakita ni Chef na slicing and everything, guys. So, tara. Let's go. Oh, partner! Marcos! A! So, tara, guys.
Now,
See?
make sure that you all take one half. Okay, when I'm doing the slice, half. Okay, if you run short, doesn't matter. We can also. Right, then this. Wait, hold on.
Ang gulay natin. Ay, pagkagawan tayo ng gulay natin dito. Oh, yan oh. Kukuha-kuha na tayo, guys. Let's go.
Celery.
That's all. So when you, by the time you go, get the next one to sign in. Keep it with your YouTube.
Guys, natapos na natin ng mga cutting na yan, guys. So, may remembrance tayo. Nagkaroon tayo ng remembrance, guys. So,
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
talagang ganyan ng buhay. Kailangan natin matutunan ng bawat isa. So, yeah, let's go.
Five hours later.
Guys, so tapos na kami. Woo! Tapos na tayo, guys. So, na tayo. Let's go. What's up, guys? That's all for today. Sana nagustuhan niyo pagsama sa amin dito, guys, sa aming kitchen. And sa mga susunod, isasama ko pa ulit kayo. So, yun.